Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a very cool and interesting feature of Figma, which is duplicate and rotate. I have designed some structures with this, you can see here. So let's start. First we will create a line from the bottom here or simple pressing L. Increase the stroke size, make it a component. Now take a frame. From the asset section, drag the main component in the frame. Now duplicate the line and give it an angle. Now duplicate the line multiple times by holding Command D or Control D. We will get a beautiful structure here. Now I will select all lines or vectors and group them. Now select the group and duplicate it 5 to 6 times. We have an amazing pattern now. Let's change the color one by one. Now we are ready to see the magic. Select the main component and increase the size of it. You can see in the frame it is changing the pattern. We can increase the line size by any value. Now let's decrease it. We are getting very beautiful structure. Let's increase in opposite direction. Wow, it is very beautiful. Amazing. So you can see this is very simple. By changing a little bit in the line, we are getting very beautiful structure. The same way we can create so many structures. Let's create a new structure. We will take a new frame and drag the main component here. Duplicate the component and give it a different angle. Now duplicate the vector by multiple times by holding Command D or Control D. You can see we have got a very beautiful pattern here. Let's create new one. With the same process, duplicate the line and give it a different angle this time. Again, very beautiful. So we can get a very beautiful structure with the little bit change in the angle. We are going to create 4 or 5 new pattern here. Wow, this is amazing. I really like it. So you can see this is very easy. You can give a little trick in the angle and you can get very beautiful structure. This is very cool feature of Figma. Let's create a new pattern with the circle or ellipse. Remove the fill, make a component and take a frame, drag the main component, duplicate the layer here and little bit down, give it an angle. Yes, now we can duplicate it multiple times. Wow, amazing. You can see this is very beautiful. We have seen this so many times on the internet or somewhere, but we did not know how to create this. That's really great. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.